It's good evening all. So Mukti here and welcome to Pandab Techno Lab and that is also known as VTL. So today we'll discuss about some with some patterns, right? So today agenda is we'll try to implement the diamond pattern. Okay, diamond pattern with star. So what is that? Let me write. Okay, so pattern programming in C. This is today's, I believe, class 4. Okay, so now what's that? Okay, so in this today we'll discuss only one thing because that I believe that will take some time. Uh, yeah, the problem is diamond set. Okay, diamonds pattern using star. Okay, this is the thing what we are going to implement. So now, so the patterns will be something like that. I mean, the pattern. Okay, okay. Then up. So, so I'm going to have five things. I'm going to decrease one by one because as you this is diamond, right? Diamond set. It will be here and it will be here and there. Just adjust that. So then will be star. That's it. Now this is my pattern. If this is the pattern, how write the code? Let's so if you see this pattern will be something like this, right? Something like this, right? So we already, if you see, like I can say like we are now. Let me divide this. I'll divide this from this. Okay. So this is one triangle, upper triangle, and this one is the lower triangle. So now, now I will be divide this one problem into two different problems, right? This will be one figure one, you can say figure one, and this session, I mean, this session will be figure two. Figure now. So what we will do, first I need to code for the F1, then I'll just reverse that for the F2, right? So the F1 figure is nothing but like this, correct? This is my F1 figure. See, if you see, as I always used to tell, like first we need to find out the relationship. So here the number of rows, that is 5, or you can say the value is n. Let me write in the different way. Number of rows, that is n, equals to 5. Okay. So now what I'll have, this is the I, j. I need the relationship between I and j. I and j, the relationship. So if first row, the j value will be max to max 1. In the second row, that is max to max 3. The third row, that is max to max 5. In the fourth row, 1 2 3, that will be max to max 7. In the fifth row, that will be 9, right? So now if you see here, what is the relationship between them, right? The relationship is nothing. So here, and one more part is sp, right? The space. Now so I need to have another one because I have taken that, right? So instead of that, make okay fine, right? It's okay fine, right? And I will be focus on this section. Okay. So now here what we'll do, this is my fourth row. On the above, what I have, one space. Here two space. What about this? Three space, right? So then what is how many number of space we need? That is in the first row, that is 3. In the second row, 2, then 1, then 0. Perfect. Then 0. So here what is space? Space is nothing but the number of rows, that is n minus I. So what is n? N is 4. 4 minus I, that is 1, that is 3. Perfect. SP is nothing but, what about S? SP space, right? SP equals to n minus I. That is one relationship we found between SP and I, right? Then after what we need? We need to find out the relationship between I, right? For I and J, if you remember, if you see here, where my I is 1, what is the J? I mean number of columns, that will be less than equals to 1 number of stars, right? That will say, what will say, in case of 2, this is 3. So if you remember, if I make this 2 into I minus 1, what is this? 2. What is 2 into I? What is the I? 1. 2 into 1, that is 1. That is 2. 2 into 2 for second row. 2 into 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 into I, 3. 2 into 3 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. So what is the thing? The J is nothing but the relationship between J is respect to I is into I minus 1. This is the relationship for J with respect to I, right? So now we are we are good to go now, right? I have the relationship between the things. Now what we'll do, see, today I'll going to write only the loop section. Otherwise let me write two different function. Okay, so the function is nothing but print, let's say void. Okay, void print uh, upper half, print upper half of diamond, print upper half, upper half diamond, diamond. So what it will take, it will take the argument, that is number of rows, int n, that's it. Then after what we will do, I need to have three different things, that is int I, j, then sp, space, right? Sp. Now what I will do, what I will do, I know the relationship, right? This relationship. First, what we need, I need to have the two different loop, at least. We can say the three different loop. One will be the for row, one will be for space, one will be for the printing the star. Three different loops I need. So first one will be the number of rows for printing the rows. For I equals to 0, I is less than equals to n. Okay, then I plus plus. Fine. I plus plus. Then why 0 starting from 0 to n? Okay, because if you see, let's go to the little bit of 1 2 3 4 5. I need to print till the 5 part. So I am starting from uh, less than n, because I am starting from 0, no need to have equals. Now what we'll do, so this is for the row, then I need to print the space. For sp, sp equals to 1, sp is less than equals to, what is that, number of rows minus I, then sp plus plus, then printf space, printf space. What next? I have the space, I printed the space. Now what I need to print the star. For sorry, j equals to 1, j is less than equals to, oh guys, let me take it to 1, to 1, because 2 into I, so it need to be 2 minus 1, that is 1. Fine. So then j plus plus. What next? Print the star. Printf star. Then once I have printed the star, I need to have the printf slash n end of the for. This is for the upper half. Then after return, nothing I need to return, so I can close the loop. Okay, this is for upper half. Then what next? Next I need to have the lower half. Fine. The lower half will be something like so, Okay, this is for the lower half. I need to have so let me. I believe we already discussed this. Still, right? Still, I'm just telling you. Write that. Write that. Then after this is for I. The top one is J. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of rows, right? Number of rows minus 1. If it is 5, I have taken, then this will be 4. So it will start with I, J, then SP. The relationship I need to find out. So in the first row, what is the have? How many number of columns we have? 3, 6, and 7. Okay. So let me go in different way. This is 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. If I value is 4, what is my J value? J value is 3, 6, 7. Okay. Whatever space is 0. When I value is 3, what about the J value? 5, right? 5. What are space? 1. When this is 2, what is the J value? 3. Right? 1 and 2. Space is 2. When 1, what is the J value? J value is 1. Whatever space, that is 3. So now, if you try to find out the relationships, so this is nothing but 4 minus 4, right? Because 0. So that means whatever the number of rows minus I, right? Number of rows is 4 minus 4, that is 0. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 4 minus 1, that is 3. This is the SP relationship. Then what is SP? SP is nothing but n, right, minus I. Okay, minus I. And minus I. Post to that, what I have, I have the SP. Then I have to find out the J. J equals to J will be less than J will be 2 into I minus 1. Why 2? 2 into 4. 2 into 4. What is this? 2 into I minus 1. 2 into 4, 8 minus 1, 7. 2 into 3, 6 minus 1, 5. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, that is 3. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, that is, okay, 2 into I, 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this is my relationship between what? J with respect to I. Now, what I'll do, I have another method. What is this? Void print you can see the lower half. Okay, lower half int n and I J then SP. Next, for I equals to n minus 1, I is greater than equals to 1, I minus minus. For j equals to 1, j is less than equals to r minus I, then this is n, right? Not row, n. Then so I have SP, right? First I need to print the SP, then you can go for the star. SP, then SP minus minus, SP minus minus, then printf space, post that. Sorry. Once I have this, what next? I need to print for j equals to 1, j will be less than equals to 2 into I, j plus 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 plus, then printf star. Okay, once I print the star, what I need to have printf slash n, end of the for end of the function. Okay, so now I have two different functions for printing different halves. Okay, then we can call that from the main function. Okay, so I believe this is fair enough. Okay, I'm assuming, right, you knows the function, right? What is the function, how to call the function, and how the execution happened. Those detail I believe you people knows. If you don't know, what we will do, we'll come up with the next videos which will tell you about the function. Okay, so otherwise what you can do, you can simply, what are the code available inside the functions, both the functions, just copy and paste the first half, I mean the this code, right, this figure code, right, paste simply inside the main function, then copy the second half, then paste that in the main function, then execute. It will generate the diamond shape. Okay, and in the next video I believe I'll come up with the function part. I can able to understand for that. We'll just wait for that. Okay, we'll see how I can able to manage that. So till that, take care, bye bye. Okay, have a good day ahead, and I love to see the comments and the feedbacks what you need and what you feel about this sessions, this lectures. That is really helpful for me, okay, to update or to enhance anything what you need, right, or which section you need, which type of concept you require, right, for you people. I'll definitely come up with that, but yeah, please let me know that. Okay, then only I can uh, try to create the videos on those topics. Okay, so till that, thank you, bye bye, and take care.